In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix zero not showing in Excel. Maybe your formulas are working, but anywhere the result should be zero, the cell just looks blank. Let us walk through the exact setting that controls this and turn those zeros back on. First, click File in the top left corner of Excel. You will find it on the green or blue bar at the very top, depending on your version. Once you click it, the screen will switch from your worksheet to the Backstage view, where you see things like Save, Open and Print listed in a column on the left. From there, click Options at the bottom of that left-hand column. If you have many items there, you might need to glance all the way down to find Options. When you click Options, a new Excel Options window will pop up in front of everything, usually in the middle of your screen, with a list on the left and settings on the right. Next up in that Excel Options window, click Advanced on the left side. The Advanced section usually sits a few items below General and Formulas. Once you click it, the right side will change to show a long list of detailed settings grouped by headings like Editing Options and Display. At this point, you need to find the display settings that control how values look in the current sheet. Scroll down on the right side until you see the heading that says Display Options for this worksheet. Just above that heading, you will also see a drop-down box with your sheet name, usually something like Sheet 1. That drop-down matters because any change you make here will apply only to the worksheet shown in that box, not every sheet in the file. If you have several sheets and zeros are missing on another sheet, you would later pick that sheet name from this same drop-down and repeat the change. With that ready, look under Display Options for this worksheet for the checkbox that mentions zeros. You will see an option labeled Show a Zero in cells that have zero value. If zeros are currently hidden, this box will be unchecked. Click once on that box so it shows a check mark. The check mark means Excel will display actual zero characters whenever a value is exactly zero, instead of leaving the cell empty. After that, click OK at the bottom of the Excel Options window. The window will close and you will jump back to your worksheet. Any cells that contain a zero value on this sheet should now show the number 0 instead of looking blank. If you have formulas like simple subtraction that equals 0, those cells will now clearly display 0 as well. You have just turned on the setting that makes Excel show real zeros instead of hiding them on this worksheet. If that helped you get your zeros back, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more clear Excel fixes.